School Division work with all of the students in the division, including all of you here today, to actually make our home, our city, our communities more sustainable, for sustainable living. We look at the Sustainable Development Goals, and why do we do that? Well, there's one really short answer, which is because it's about our planet, and it's about our global governance. And whether you like it or not, to quote from the part of the program, you are the generation that's going to have to make a major difference. And these goals are part of your toolkit for being global citizens, working locally often, but with a mindset and an understanding of the impact globally.
Now, if we had magic powers, and we could eliminate one of these things only, so I want you to think about this and choose. If you were going to make the world better and you would choose one of these things to eliminate, would you eliminate poverty? Or would you eliminate hate? And I'm talking capital H, hate, the kind of hate that leads to inequality, the kind of hate that leads to suicides, capital H, hate. Or would you magically get rid of climate change? And this is human-caused climate change. Okay, so take a second, think about it. You can only pick one.
I chose poverty because if we're all equal, we can all help play our part so that we can eliminate climate change.
Very nice.
I chose hate because if we take away hate, it's like taking away what we want as humans. Like if I were magically able to snap my fingers, take away all the hate of the world, think of what we could accomplish and become a unity of us people. Think about what we can achieve as human beings if we're not even trying to destroy ourselves because of hatred, but building ourselves up because of love.
We chose climate change because climate change is a global problem, and it's going to affect us all in the future, and not just a certain group of people. And without climate change, we can live for a lot longer.
There are so many more downpours throughout the world, and why is that? Well, it's all because of global warming. And we can't point our fingers at any natural events, it's because of us. We are the cause of global warming, and global warming is causing these extreme weather events to happen.
I want you guys to get involved. I want you to talk about climate change. I want you to talk about action. Hey, let's just walk there today. Let's take our bikes, all of those sorts of things. And I want you to make Earth a priority. When you're choosing to buy something, should I buy it? Make it a priority so that we can reduce the impact.